Hey there, Bixby developers. Jonathan Pan here. I'll be showing you one of the finalists for DevJam, Farm Tycoon by 515. Tap on the search icon to get started and search for Farm. There it is, the Farm Tycoon. Just click Add. And the Farm Tycoon is a game where you play as a farm tycoon trying to rebuild your farm. Let's just go ahead and get started.
You are the Farm Tycoon. Welcome home. I'm so sorry about your father. Time has not been kind, and you are now in charge. Rebuild our farm with blood, sweat, and wise decisions. Make him proud. Let's begin. An inventor has come to you with a new design for the plow machine. Do you invest in this new technology?
And it gives you yes or no scenarios where you can answer to, hopefully increase the wealth or goodwill of your farm. Yes.
You are indeed a progressive man. The plow has increased your production. Your wealth has increased to 60. A band of travelers have come to you offering to undercut your current workers and work for less. Do you replace your workers with cheap labor?
No.
Your loyalty is repaid with loyalty. Your goodwill has increased to 60. The recent yield of sweet potato has been disappointing. Do you abandon the crop and start planting tomatoes?
Yes.
Wow, you've reaped a bumper harvest with tomatoes. You see much better yield. Your wealth has increased to 70. During a drinking session, you insult the wife of a wealthy merchant. He challenges you to a duel. Do you accept?
So to find out what happens if you challenge a wealthy merchant in a duel, I highly suggest you to go and try out Farm Tycoon by 515. Definitely go check it out on the Bixby Marketplace, and congratulations for being the runner-up to DevJam 2019.